Here's our International Cummins Diesel 1680 axle flow combine, 1992. See, it's been leaking oil there. Fuel pump is leaking there too. Combine's got 3,000 hours on it. Here's the versatile swatter. I thought I'd probably start, but I don't think it'll start. That's the trees rubbing on there. This is the combines we used to have before we got that. We had three Massey Fergusons. We had a 860 V8 Perkins and another 760 V8 Perkins, and then this is a 6-cylinder turbo Perkins diesel straight pipe. That one would never run. It's got like 7,000 hours on it. It's a 1984. Been sitting there since 2001. I'm sure the engine's seized. We're not going to even mess with it. There's the old Dodge truck. We used to haul water wood with no brakes. I'm surprised that thing worked. There's that Ford engine and that versatile 400. And we cannot get it started. It's been sitting here. We just take the payloader and lift it up in the air and move it over because it's hydrostatic. You can't move it unless you run it. Here's our, it's got the engine there, Massey Ferguson. Super 92 combine. That's what my dad used out in the field before they got them over there. Jeez, that wind is strong. Jeez. Well, we're supposed to get tornadoes and hail today, so I suppose it will. But this swatter is, used to swat oats with it so we can combine oats and barley and hay and sit out in that hot weather in the sun. Oh, it was so hot. This thing is so fun to drive. If you could get it, once you get it running, it won't stop running. You shut the key off, it won't shut off. It just rolls backwards. The engine, it's, I don't know. But it's got the 6-cylinder carbureted Ford engine. I think it's a 390 or 361. I don't know. I can't see. It's too dark in here. But wish the swatter would run, but she won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just, that's what's been sitting there for 10 years probably. Does it say anything about it here? What year? I don't know, I can't see it, and if the camera can't see it, then okay, there. Made in Canada by Versatile. Tire's flat, brand new tire. Jeez, man, is that wind strong. Huh, there's that old flathead 6-cylinder 1950s Dodge truck, job rated. That was a nice truck. I love that truck. We just quit using it because it was old and we didn't need it anymore. It's restorable. Here's that, my dad's combine. You know, we broke the axle off and lost the tire in the field. And we broke the back axle off too. It smashed everything up. Oh my God, is that wind bad. Watch the microphone. You won't be able to hear me when I go out here. I won't talk because it is so windy. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna end this video and get back to the farm. I'll talk to you later.